Welcome to Carb Manager. Our food databases include hundreds of thousands of different foods, but what if you want to log a food or supplement that you can't find? In this video, we will show you how to create a custom food and publish it to our database. To start, let's open the Food Finder. The Food Finder includes several tabs and filters to help you find foods, which we covered in another video called Find Foods in Carb Manager. When you can't find what you're looking for, go to Options and select Create Custom Food. In the Create Food screen, enter a descriptive name to help you find the food later. You can also add an image from our icon library or upload your own photo. If your custom food is based on a branded food, enter the name of the manufacturer. This will help you and others know where the food comes from. Next, enter details about the servings, including the amount, size, and weight. If you have a nutrition label, enter the serving information exactly as it appears on the label. This ensures that Carb Manager will accurately calculate your nutrition and health data. If the package on your food has a barcode number and you want to be able to scan the food to log it later, enter the barcode. When you publish a custom food, which we'll show you in a moment, Carb Manager will be able to locate your food when you or others scan the food's code. In the Nutrition Facts section, enter the food's nutrition information exactly as it appears on the food's nutrition label. If your nutrition label provides a total carbs value, enter it. The total carbs value includes fiber and sugar alcohols in the United States and elsewhere. If the food or supplement includes fiber, sugar alcohols, or allulose, enter those values as well, and Carb Manager will subtract them from the total carbs value to calculate the net carbs value once you save the food. If you're based in the UK, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, or another country that refers to carbohydrates rather than total carbs, and lists fiber as a separate item on the nutrition label, toggle Net Carbs. Add the carbohydrate value and the fiber, and Carb Manager will calculate the total carbs once you save the food. After you enter the food's description and nutrition info, save it. In the next screen, decide whether to share the food with the Carb Manager community by publishing your custom food to our database. You can also save your food to a folder in My Foods, which can help you organize your lists. When you're done, create your food. It's ready to log right away, and you can find it later in My Foods and your favorites. For more information about creating custom foods, check out our helpful knowledge base, including the article Create Custom Foods at help.carbmanager.com.